Morning all, I just want to show you a very easy way of making money. Now the screen that you're going to look at, I'm just going to come out of view now, is the DAX German 30, and this is a chart of that particular index. So each of these bars are 15-minute bars, and you can see that they've been moving down, and there's a significant fall this morning between 7 and 7:30, which is UK time, which is when the DAX opens, and then it's just risen back up here. And what you don't know is, because you can't see the screen at the moment, is that on the 1 hour chart it has actually been resisting the price moving through that. So by zooming in and looking at the 15-minute time frame, we can see a lot as to what's happening. So what we want to do is, once we know what the longer term time frames are doing, so we know that the daily trend is down, we know that the 4 hour trend is down, and also the 1 hour where it was finding resistance. We need to zoom right in and just find out what's going on in the 15 minutes. So what we're doing here is actually looking for an opportunity to pluck some money out of the market. So it's found some resistance at this level. If you do trade, you'll know that a pivot is something that traders will look at. A lot of them just swear by that. I don't. I like to know where the pivot points are, but there's other indicators that are more important for me. So you can see here that these are 15-minute green bars that have gone right up. They did hit the pivot point, but what I'm interested in is where they've been using this line here as resistance. So this green bar here is looking to try and push through the red line there. Now my red lines there are the 200-day moving average, the blue is the 50-day, green is the 20-day, and you've got the 6-day moving average here as well. Now the expectation is, if the DAX price can't push through the 1 hour time frame, it will have another go, and then if that then gets pushed back down, then that's where we see an opportunity to sell, because we are still in a downtrend. You will get a rally, as you're seeing here, and if it doesn't break beyond that 1 hour time frame, then what will happen is the price will just get pushed back down again, and the trend, which has been doing this and going down, we would expect it to either push on through resistance, so it will actually come to a resistance point and either push through it, or it will use it as a ceiling, and then it will get pushed back down then by the sellers, because nobody wants to buy in. So if there's more sellers than buyers, then it's going to push the price down. So it's been testing this level here. If I put this onto an hour chart and went to my desk and did that, I'm not going to, but if you looked at it on an hour, then you would see that there is resistance there, and by going in and zooming in on the 15-minute, we can see an opportunity. Now I will be looking to sell. I won't be selling at the moment because I need confirmation of certain things that are going to happen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you later how I have made money just by knowing that. Okay, so look out for the next video on that, and we'll see what happens next. It's a bit like Blue Peter, really. The one before and the one after. If you remember with Blue Peter, if you're in the UK, you'll remember what Blue Peter was. Watched it when I was a little lad. Anyway, I reminisce. I'll speak to you all later.